A Cash App direct deposit delay usually happens when your employer's payroll hasn't finished processing, your account details are entered incorrectly, or the deposit is still moving through your bank's clearing system. By the end of this, you'll know how to check where your deposit is stuck, how to fix common setup issues, and what actually controls the timing of the money hitting your account. Start by opening Cash App and checking your direct deposit details. If your account and routing numbers are wrong, the deposit can be delayed or rejected entirely by the bank. Next, compare those numbers with the payroll system your employer uses. Even one incorrect digit can send the payment into a pending or failed status. Now check whether your employer has already processed payroll. Cash App can only receive the deposit after payroll is officially sent, not when it is scheduled. If payroll hasn't been submitted yet, the delay is coming from your employer, not Cash App. Next, open your Cash App Activity tab and look for a pending deposit entry. If it shows pending, the funds are already in transit and just haven't cleared your bank yet. Now, check your notification history inside Cash App. Sometimes early deposit alerts appear before the actual bank settlement is complete. Next, make sure your Cash app is fully updated. Older versions can fail to refresh deposit status correctly, making it look like a delay when it is already processing. If the deposit is missing completely, confirm with your employer that they used the correct account details. A mismatch between your payroll profile and Cash App routing information is one of the most common causes of missing deposits. Now, check your linked bank status inside Cash App. If your account was recently changed or relinked, the deposit may be routed to a previous account. If you recently changed jobs or payroll systems, expect a short adjustment period while the first deposit fully syncs. Next, avoid creating multiple support requests at the same time. That doesn't speed anything up and can slow down verification on the back end. If nothing shows after payroll has clearly been sent, contact Cash App support with your transaction details and employer name. To sum it up, verify your account details, confirm payroll has been sent, and check your pending activity inside Cash App. Next, always track both employer payroll timing and Cash App status instead of assuming the app controls the delay. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Cash App fixes, direct deposit troubleshooting, and personal finance guides.